I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in Final Cut Pro using Final Cut Pro's own voiceover menu dialog box. I hope this helps you. So that's it for now, folks. I have shown you how to do a voiceover in Final Cut Pro. One thing that you want to make sure is that you, I hope this video helps you. Or in Final Cut Pro, I want to come up here to the window and push Record Voiceover. A dialog box will come up, which I like to scoot over here so that I can see it better. And I want to look at this. This part right here is the stop and start button, and you can see this bar moving with the volume of how I'm speaking, louder or softer. Type in a name. I like to keep it on voiceover. Check your input. There's a drop-down menu, and you can click on the microphone that you're using. I'm using this USB microphone, so I'm gonna leave it there. Over here, you can push on the countdown to record. Either check it or leave it unchecked. I like to check it because it does give you a countdown of 3, 2, 1. I want to save it in the event, and the roll is dialog. So when I'm ready to record, I'm going to push the start button and go ahead and record. Hi, this is the pond at Veitshöchheim in Germany, in Würzburg, and these beautiful, cute little ducks are swimming in the pond. Lovely little voiceover. I would hope that I would not say it like that. But anyway, you get the idea. Let's push stop to end the recording. And there you have it. Our voiceover has appeared down here. You can pick it up and move it wherever you want it to line up with exactly the part in the clip that you wanted it to be under. And you can also create another voiceover by moving your playhead here, and then you can push start and record a second one. It'll count down to 3, 2, 1. Hi there, we're just testing to see if we can make a second voiceover, and that's all, folks. That's how easy it is to make a voiceover in Final Cut Pro. Stop. And there you have it, folks. I hope this answered your questions. Thank you very much. I hope this video helps you. We have covered how to do a voiceover in Final Cut Pro's own dialog box. There are other ways of adding audio into Final Cut Pro. For those, you can watch my other videos. Go make some art today.